This video is just to show how to fit a CarPlay unit in this 2013 Freelander 2, latest Bosch audio and nav unit that was also fitted into D4s and other Land Rovers around the same vintage, 2013, 14, 15. This is a CarPlay unit that piggybacks the feed into the factory screen, so all of this is factory. What you'll miss is factory navigation. So everything is standard until you press nav. Nav is the CarPlay unit. Microphone is using the factory Bluetooth of the car, and the stereo is all factory. Video steps through trim removal, unit removal, and wiring connections. The CarPlay unit itself is down there behind the panel, under the glove box. Also located the fuse box, so it's relatively straightforward to get to.
There we go. I've got this side up. Should just lift now.
We got, these are the short ones.
They're the longer ones.
These are slightly longer.
Mm-hmm.
I think there's longer again underneath somewhere. I'll just put that there.
Alright, that's off.
I think we now need to remove the surround as one. Okay, now me too. I'll just put that back up again.
I'm not sure
That's it.
Not sure
That's it. Okay, we got just got to hold there. We've got to figure out the length of the cables.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll start undoing these radio ones then. Blue pressing tab on the bottom of it. Just couldn't see it before. Right, so there's three plugs. Looks like clock in the middle. So the unit is out of the car, and in the later models the screen is mounted into the fascia. We think that doesn't need removing. Lower unit is still in the car. So what we have to do is connect a Wi-Fi aerial, which comes with it, connect a USB cable, connect the LVDS cable, which is what takes the signal to the screen. So the blue cable goes here, and that's the interposing of the CarPlay unit instead of the nav unit. Two cables we've got to piggyback connect. The first one is this one, which is this cable, and then the second one is a larger grey plug that's in the lower unit somewhere in this area. So we go down that side and across. So I'm going underneath here so that it's low down under there. There we go. Oh, it's pegged to its bottom. Alright, one connector on that. Alright, now there's plenty of room just to draw that forward enough. Oh yeah, there's a middle peg. So that
goes in that slot.
I'm gonna lean it forward. Let's see. So this blue cable takes over from this one, which is the nav. Now it's got to go under there and follow the same path down to the unit. And then if I go out, that's the fuse box. That's what it looks like with the cover refitted that goes over the fuse box. And I've just, for now, just got the USB there in case you need the wired connection. And now we're going to reconnect all the upper screen connections and give it a test run. Try again.
Yeah, that's on.
Okay, we need to test it now. Working, it's connected. And that's it. So I think we've proven that
But
it
so
works.
you can go from here,
Back to all the
normal, but to go back into CarPlay is the nav.
That's right. Does that look into you down the side?
There you go.
That's it. See it, swap to the other side.
Cool.
So it's done that setting.